Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video we are going to talk about the mechanical mate, hinge mate. So as you can see, this is a hinge I have taken as an example for the hinge mate. So it is made up of these manual mates, but instead of using the manual mates, you have to apply the four mates, right? So instead of this four mate, if you want to apply the one mate only, so how you can do it? So that's how you can go to the mechanical mates and go to the hinge mate, where you can select the concentric selections, right? Which is a concentric selection and coincident. Okay, so if you apply the coincident selection here and click it OK, done. That's how easy it is, right? There is no science behind it. You just have to apply the concentric mate and coincident mate. Okay, so that's how you can just do the hinge mate. Okay, so yeah, it is working fine. Done. So that's how you can do. Okay, that's all for the video. Keep watching, keep sharing, keep learning.